back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. One thing to quickly note, with it being a holiday week with Easter coming up, at the end of the week is a Good Friday, and then it's Easter weekend, Easter Monday. The job leads hadn't been quite as good as they normally are, but we are still prevailing. Today, we have the company Wattpad. Now, they have 128 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. Of course, as always, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Wattpad is hiring a community support specialist. This is remote either for the United States or Canada. Now, just reading through this sounds like it is a completely non-phone to me. But of course, Wattpad is a global multi-platform entertainment company whose vision is to entertain and connect to the world through stories. They're looking for somebody to do problem solving for their community of over 80 million users. It says you're going to work across different platforms and devices to investigate bugs, escalate those to the developers, and help the stakeholders ensure product issues are resolved. It says you need to be extremely comfortable working with the internet, mobile devices, and multitasking. But they are looking for somebody to answer user inquiries and provide quality technical assistance and support their community using empathy, analytical skills, and to troubleshoot and guide users through their issues. You'll sleuth out pesky bugs, identify the causes, and escalate any issues that need to be fixed to the engineering teams. You'll act as a liaison between support and product teams. You'll collaborate with the product teams to provide support and assist for the quality assurance of new features. And you'll measure user sentiment across multiple platforms and report this to the business unit. Now, it talks about platforms like online platforms and stuff, never discusses using a phone. Furthermore, it says that they're looking for somebody who has experience with a ticketing system such as Zendesk. So it sounds like this is non-phone answering tickets. They're also looking for someone who has had 1 to 2 years experience in a similar role, and previous experience moderating or managing a community is preferred, but not required. So that all makes it sound like this is completely non-phone. They also need somebody who is a critical thinker and is a high achiever. Now, things that are not required but get you bonus points is if you know how to use HTML or CSS or JavaScript, or if you're willing to learn those things. Prior work experience with Google Analytics is also a bonus point. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That's going to have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.